Okay. So I thought with just that little piece there, which is no biggie. Yeah, we got a lot of wind last night. At least my car's okay, alright? But this big old limb came from that tree. The tree is mean to me. And this is what it did. See that? It went. Kind of like what it did to my Mustang. Went right smack dab in the middle of Emma's princess car. She's going to be so upset. I don't even want to show her. But then she's going to be like, well, what happened to it? So I just don't know. So, yeah. I'm not very pleased about this situation. She... Oh, Lord. This is actually my daughter, Jenna's. I sent her a picture of it. Oh, she just sent me a message saying, you better have car insurance. That's hilarious. What you doing, Whiskey? What's that? What is that big limb doing there, huh? She's like, something's not right here. This is not where this is supposed to be. I know, it's not. It shouldn't be like that, should it? No. She found something to... Oh, God, she's going to bring that to me and want me to throw it. Anyway, okay, well... Woo! Oh, it's chilly out here. I'm not feeling good today at all. So I'm going to go lay down, see if I can get myself feeling better. But yes, that's my... Of course, it always does that when it rains. But I know it could be a lot worse. Anyway, so did anybody else get any damage last night? I hope not, but I'm thinking probably somebody did. See a little tiny limb over there.